afternoon, in fact, the Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde submitted the Telangana bill in the House once again amidst those disruptions by the anti-Telangana supporters. The bill, of course, it comes with certain riders that the Congress hopes will convince the BJP as well. The parties whose support is vital for the passage of this bill. But there's also much happening outside Parliament. In Hyderabad as well, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy is all set to quit if the bill is debated in the House. That, of course, continues to be the top focus.
We are opposed to the bill. We will mount pressure through the other opposition. We will mount pressure through other opposition party leaders. We will be talking to them.
And the only credible security cover that you can give for the population who will be settling there, who are living with fear right now, is to make it a union territory. It is not a big deal to make it a union territory and 2 states with a sunset clause, and that is what we have asked. The moment the alternate capital is established in the residual state of Andhra Pradesh, this can be lifted and merged with Telangana.
This is conspiracy made against the Seemandhra people. This government should not continue 1 more hour also. This government doesn't have any right to move any bills other than vote and account budget. So we are reiterating this government should go home. Outgoing government should not bring this such a kind of important bills before the House.
I think one has to take a decision, and keeping the commitment in mind, the government is bringing this Telangana bill in Lok Sabha today, and we will try our level best to get it passed.
Both the political parties and management on the floor of the House, the Congress is into an acid test today. Now, if the BJP supports the Telangana bill and gets it passed, his alliance with Telugu Desam party is in trouble. If BJP doesn't, then is in trouble in the Telangana region. So there are complications. Congress already is in a mess in Andhra Pradesh.
मैंने समझ पाया कांग्रेस ने आंध्र प्रदेश को डिवीजन किस रूप में किया कि वहाँ की पूरी असेंबली विरोध कर रही, जनता विरोध कर रही है। उनको राजनीतिक हित के लिए कभी राज्यों का बंटवारा नहीं करना चाहिए। समाजवादी पार्टी वैसे भी राज्यों के बंटवारे के विरोध में है। हम छोटे राज्यों के विरोध में नहीं, लेकिन राज्यों के बंटवारे के विरोध में हैं और हम इस बिल का विरोध करेंगे।
We hope on our leadership, Srimati Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi ji, and today bill will be passed. And I hope same BJP will support unconditional support for formation of Telangana, because they told so many times this is entire Telangana people they are hoping today.
अब जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट काफी उनके संघर्ष के बाद ये जो विधेयक ला रही है कि अलग से स्टेट बनना चाहिए, लोकसभा के अंदर, राज्यसभा के अंदर हमारी पार्टी इसका समर्थन करेगी।
Well, the furor in both houses of parliament continues, ensuring that no business has been conducted in this interim budget session. The 2 main national parties here, the BJP and the Congress, indulging in political one-upmanship, while the BJP maintaining that it's not going to allow the bill to be passed without a debate, without a discussion on it. The Congress, of course, is adamant to pass that bill despite the din. The BJP, in fact, wants all stakeholders present in the House, but the Congress has clarified that it will not allow expelled MPs back in the House. The BJP also wants that the key Seemandhra demands should be fulfilled. But some of the key sticking points here in the division of the state with that demand to make Hyderabad a union territory for 10 years. There are also demands to split the revenues that would be generated from Hyderabad, and also the Bhadrachalam's inclusion in the residual Andhra Pradesh. That demand is also being sought. But there are still, of course, skirmishes over division of water, power, revenue. All those practicalities need to be looked into. Seemandhra leaders are continuing to demand their funds to create industry and jobs in their region. Let's get in a view from senior political analyst with us in the studio, Dr. Pullam Rao. Dr. Rao, in your view, this seems to be a stalemate that one is expecting to continue in the House. With that stalemate, with the BJP and the Congress, though, being at loggerheads on this.
Yes, absolutely. You see, it seems to us that for the last 4 days, the Congress has not conceded any demand of the BJP. They have not either changed the original bill, they have neither allowed the expelled MPs back, They have not shown any gesture. Therefore, it makes me wonder how serious the Congress is in actually getting the bill passed. You see, the BJP has to agree to the Congress passing the bill if it comes forward halfway. But the Congress is not coming forward halfway. This has created a stalemate, and it's very doubtful whether the Congress will be able to get the bill through. You must recollect that on Thursday, when the bill was introduced in the Lok Sabha, all the opposition parties said the bill was not introduced in the Lok Sabha.
Okay.
So the Home Minister has to reintroduce it, and that's what he is doing. Therefore, this stalemate will continue, and that's why there is supposed to be a core committee meeting at 4 o'clock today of the Congress party to determine what to do. And supposedly even the Prime Minister feels that since the ministers are voicing different demands, there has to be a decision taken on what to do and how to progress.
All right, Dr. Rao, stay with us. I'm going to take in some inputs from our team of correspondents as well. We have Geeta Mohan with us from outside Parliament, Sri Kumar with us. Geeta, first to you, of course, massive chaos that continues in the House with both houses of Parliament that had adjourned this afternoon. The scenes that we're getting to see from outside Parliament as well, with the rapid action force in place, with massive police deployment as well to make sure that the Seemandhra protesters there are kept at bay.
Well, clearly so. A huge, massive deployment over here of police personnel. There are fire extinguishers also in place in case somebody tries to self-immolate. So there are all kinds of precautionary measures that are being taken outside the Parliament as well as inside, wherein all the security detail of the MPs were frisked today. Nobody is being allowed apart from the Central Hall, and also no visitors being allowed today. But more importantly over here, like you were discussing, there are very many nitty-gritties that are still to be resolved. The demand continues to remain, or that of discussion on the bill, and that has not gone through. So a crucial time, very important time being lost by the government over here. Will this bill be passed today is the big question, because today is a very crucial day, after which tomorrow the vote of account begins, and the government will find no time to really pass the Telangana bill, or for that matter discuss the Telangana bill. There are issues regarding Hyderabad being made the capital for 10 years, or for that matter the money that needs to be given to Telangana as also to Seemandhra, which has to come from the consolidated fund of the state as also from the consolidated fund of India. But these are issues that are still being discussed. There are hectic parleys that are on amongst leaders.
Let's in fact get a hold on how this is playing out in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Of course, we know that Seemandhra, supporters of Seemandhra, the anti-Telangana supporters there are continuing to protest in Andhra Pradesh as well. Our correspondent Sri Kumar with us to get us up to date on what are we expecting that final decision of the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister. Will he or will he not give in his resignation there on the Telangana bill?
As of now, the Chief Minister Andhra Pradesh, Kiran Kumar Reddy, will not resign today, and he will resign tomorrow. That is what the information are coming out from the CM office, and he has called for a press meet around 10:30 tomorrow morning. Then after the press meet, he will go and meet the governor and he will tender his resignation. That is what the information are coming out from the CM camp office here in Hyderabad.
All right, many thanks for getting us those inputs. Geeta, in fact, you stay with us. There's some more breaking news that's coming in just a bit. But this, of course, is going...
That is what the information are coming out from the CM camp office here in Hyderabad.
All right, many thanks for getting us those inputs. Geeta, in fact, you stay with us. There's some more breaking news that's coming in just a bit. But this, of course, is going to be the continued focus right here on NewsX through the day with our